Hello, my name is Chris Wiegeraat. I'm Commercial Director of GoBright. I'd like to tell you something more about our hardware proposition. After Corona, we see that the average office occupancy is almost 30%. That means that a desk during the daytime can be used by maybe 4 to 5 people. But how do you manage that? Well, the lighting will help us to make sure that people understand if the desk is used, if it's booked, or if it's free. Or maybe it's been used, so it needs cleaning instead of just getting ready again. And that's a big advantage of having this desk hardware. And as you can see now, the light changes to amber, and that means that I'm there and the sensor picks me up. I didn't do anything, and it makes sure that the occupancy starts measuring. Coming here, I can just check in with, for example, my NFC badge, which I also enter the building with. And if I do that, so I identify myself now to the system. That means that I can also be easily found by my colleagues. So for example, if you look at this mapping here, which is also available online or on your mobile phone, you can easily type in "where's Chris" and my desk will start blinking. So by identifying myself on the hardware on the desk on a very easy way, I don't need my phone for that or whatever, I can be easily found by my colleagues.